Igor, tell us about another thing. I'm dealing with a lot of buyers, and a lot of buyers, they self-employed. And unfortunately, they don't show a lot of income. Can you help in this situation to my first-time buyers?
Excellent question. Actually, I would say around maybe like 1/3 of my pipeline is for people who do not show the income. Because look, we'll be honest, right? We are not like all doctors. We are not like working for companies, big companies. We are like humble little people, you know, like a lot of small businesses, right? And then we're dealing with people like from like barbers. We're dealing people with jewelers. We're dealing people with Ubers, you know, Uber drivers, Lyft drivers, you know, all self-employed people. Because some people show maybe like $300,000-$400,000 a year, but then they're writing off a lot of those expenses. Yes. So obviously with the regular banks, they're not going to be qualified. So they call us. They call us happy people, the Noble Mortgage team who will actually help you to get the mortgage. So we do have these programs, and actually several programs. The first program is called bank statement. So as long as the business like has like active deposits during the last 12 months, we can take these 12 months business bank statements and calculate income with no tax returns, no W-2s, no 1099, nothing, just based on the deposits. And you can put as little as 10% down payment.
Wow.
Hear me out, 10%. It's not 20, it's not 30%. 10% down payment. Ideally, to get a better rate, you need to put between 15, ideally 20% down payment, right? But for some people, they do not have enough money saved. So we still have options with 10% down payment, okay? So this is based on bank statements. Another program that we have, for example, some people, they do not have regular business deposits, right?
Yes.
So then we can talk to the accountant of that self-employed person, and we can get the letter from that accountant stating what is the annual deposits. And then we can put together profit and loss.
Very well.
And based on the profit and loss, we can also provide them financing.
Wow.
With this option, most likely they need to put 20% down payment, at least as of today. But still, it's excellent option. And then for some people who really do not have even like an accountant, yes, we still have the options as long as they can put between 30 to 35% down payment to still buy with nothing, like no document, just the bank statements. Statements, and then the buyer will need to show us the down payment, for example, this 30% down payment, right? Plus closing costs, plus the reserves, and they can buy the property. So there are a lot of alternatives for these people. And also, I want to mention one more program that we also just recently got. It's a lot of like new programs.
It's good.